Last month, I made this great little project. Um, I had been up to Wisconsin and found a wood supply store or lumber yard, and they had some really nice wood. And they had this little short board that had some of the darkest maple I'd ever seen with some figure. So I like wood that's interesting, that's outside of the normal. Um, and so I grabbed it. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but this was what it ended up being. So I used that really dark maple, this shade of brown for the bottom piece. I wanted to be interesting, and then the parts of the board that weren't as highly figured, I used for the rest of the piece. But I use these three colors for the feature ring in order to give it some nice contrast, but really for it to be not an overly complicated piece, but so you could take it all in. And so this piece has 85 pieces of wood. It's got maple, South American walnut, purple heart, and mahogany. And after I made this in December, I decided to use that same design and make something a little bit bigger and to make a YouTube video on it. And this is the project that resulted from this piece here. I just added 2 more layers to the feature ring. I made it bigger, and I used different woods, still using those 3 different colors: a lighter, a mid-tone, and a dark, and then with a darker ring to border the feature ring. So if you get a chance, check out my latest video on YouTube, and I'll show you how I made this bowl in another how I made this video.